welcome back, guys. I hope you guys are having a wonderful morning this morning. And as you can see, APXT, we're going to talk about APXT since this channel heavily enforces to talking about APXT, Apex technology, or AVEPOINT as you know it. And well, I don't know this color, right? The green, since it has been, a little red for some time, although the market has been gaining some positions. And you can see today's volume is $329,899, and I mean like 899. It's fairly okay since yesterday it was less than 200,000. So I like to believe that it's going somewhere at least, and I'll take it. It's not that bad. This morning it went all the way up to 11.37 and it's been lingering around. So I saw most of the stock that went up pre-market, and within an hour it plunged back again and down more further than yesterday. But APOINT just remained steady, which is a good sign, right? So yes, and you can see nothing had changed. I'm still holding my 1,500 shares, and the market value is close to 17,000. And my strike price is still $14.66, and the portfolio diversity is 55%. And I gained around like $285.15, 1%, and I'm still down 22%. So once again, I'm not worried at all, because my goal is to hold this stock at least for 2 to 5 years or further, because I strongly believe its potential, and it's one of the strong specs out there, right? So the purpose of this video today is we're gonna talk something about APXT, right? And let's go further deep into it. That's my baby, actually. So there was an article on Investor Place that says Microsoft connection adds tremendous value to Apex technology acquisition, right? So we're gonna talk about why you should not hold APXT in a positive way, though, not a negative. So in a positive way, it says why it has been going down. It explains fairly honestly. So that's what I think as well. So why it's going down, although I'll show you some stats. It says 51.5 million in total revenue, up 31% year over year. Recurring revenues of 114.5 million, making a year over year increase of 37%. Subscription revenues totaling $91 million, an increase of 66% from last year. Operating cash flow of 19.1 million, a company record. These stats are incredible for a company of this size, and if they continue, their revenue will increase year by year, and that includes their operational cash flow and subscriptions as well. So what's happening? The numbers look great, everything is looking great, but the stock has been going down. So what this article says, why you should not hold, because see the first paragraph, we can begin to understand why the share price declined after that, right? The investing community isn't known for being patient. This is what I'm talking, guys. You can't expect all the shares or stocks to skyrocket. I see a lot of SPACs that has gone way up in value, but the market, their position in market is really dumb. Some of them doesn't even have a product in the market, or their product is not getting developed until 2025. I guess you guys know what I'm talking about. But this one, particularly among all the SPACs, we need to understand it's already in the market, and it has a big client database in their portfolio. They have Microsoft, Salesforce, and a lot of other companies. And in this article, it also explains that how the company has played a bigger role in data migration from Microsoft 365. And yesterday I shared even Salesforce, APOINT Salesforce has been playing a very, very big role in data migration with the Salesforce as well. So yes, be patient. If you're not patient, and need to make money quickly, I better say, you know, like there are a lot of stocks to take risk on. This is a low risk, and I still don't know like if this is the right choice or not. But you know, like as again, if you want to hold this for a long term, it's gonna bear it really well, right? Because their standings are really great, quarterly revenues are great, the numbers are great, the cash flows are great, and everything is great, right? So again, if you guys know any news and updates from APXT, I'd love to hear about it. And we can always talk about the APXT, AVEPOINT, or Apex technology in this channel and grow together, right? So yes, so if you guys have made this far in this video, please do like and subscribe so we can always stay connected with APXT, AVEPOINT, or Apex technology and make some money, right? And probably I'm gonna add some positions in APXT and make some cash secure covered calls to cover some of my losses, which I've already did. I've already made like 3,000 to 3,500 selling cash covered calls, since I do have 1,500 shares, right? So yeah, one thing I would like to mention again, that strike dates are only 1 month away. Maybe when they merge, they will have like each week, like every other stock. But you know, still, for example, if I just make, you know, like I've done this several times. So if you can see, it's April 16. Today is, I like to say, April 6. So it's not too much farther, right? So usually I do it 1 month back, and I will get like, you know, like $800 or $900 a month. So even though I look like $1,500, I mean like $5,000 down, I've already covered most of my losses with cash secure cover calls. So you know, I can always do that. So I would love to increase my position on this APXT so that, you know, I can sell more cover calls and cover my losses or make more passive income in the future. So yeah, do let me know guys what you think about APXT, and let's talk. Thank you again for tuning in, and please do like and subscribe. And if I find any catalyst or more videos on it, I'll always share on this channel. Have a wonderful day.